Landward.com, the online marketplace for agriculture.
The Landward.com film crew constantly seeks great do-it-yourself projects. And today, for the first time, we've ended up in the Czech Republic, more precisely in Peseky. And we're visiting the farmer Robert Bližanec. Hello, Robert.
Hello, Denise.
Robert, what kind of farming do you have here at the Czech border?
I have the 140, a large farm that breeds sheep and horses of the Chagi Arab breed. The most important thing for me right now is the sheep, and there are about 500 of them now. But unfortunately, behind the fence is the wolf, and it always reduces my flock a lot.
That brings us to your project, which you submitted to Landward.com. Of course, you have to make sure that your 140-hectare farm is also fenced in. What did you build here?
Our company built this post driver.
You told me beforehand that your employee, David, has golden hands. That means he builds a lot of things himself, and he also built this post driver here. What exactly is built into this?
So the steel is from a steel dealer, the weight is also from the steel, a bit of lead, and this is a special, very, very strong cable. We bought the hydraulic components from Crump through their Czech representative. David was inspired by a lot of videos on YouTube. That's normally produced by companies, but he looked at the production videos and got inspired. And we basically built it according to those videos, but we didn't steal it, we didn't get any documentation. For example, he measured the person's height and the device's size, and from that he also constructed the dimensions of this device.
Okay, so that means your colleague David has a great talent for really imagining things and can actually build them as well. What about all the welding work? And earlier you mentioned that plasma cutting also took place. Where did you do all of that?
I have a relatively well-equipped agricultural workshop. Now I use the acacia posts. I used to make the spruce posts myself from my own forest.
Now you've had this post driver in operation for 3 years. How long did it take to build it?
So about a month of work.
You're our first Czech do-it-yourself builder. How do you use Landward.com?
When I want to buy a machine, I very often go on Landward. Yes, lately I've already gotten almost everything, and then I go on Landward just for entertainment or for fun or for the new do-it-yourself projects and so on.
Yes, thank you very much, Robert, for submitting your do-it-yourself project, and dear viewers, you heard it. We are very happy when we receive creative projects from outside Austria and Germany as well. If you're working on something, you can send us your do-it-yourself projects at Landward.com.